Dear children, next we move on to the next sum, how to change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, the question will be the improper fraction. We have to change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so our topic is change into, that is, mixed fraction. Okay, I am going to explain with few example sums. Let me make, that is, the question will be improper. Improper means what is? That is, numerator is bigger than the denominator. That is a improper fraction. Okay, here that is the question will be, that is 7 by 3. Okay, so that is denominator is smaller one than the numerator. So this is called improper fraction. Okay, improper fraction. Now we are going to change this improper fraction into, that is, mixed fraction. That is, mixed fraction means a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, let me do, that is 7 by 3. So we have to divide here, that is 7 by, divided by 3. Okay, that is 2 3s are 6. Here that is 7 minus 6. You have to subtract the number. You get it, that is 1. Okay, this is a quotient and this is a remainder. Okay, now you are going to write this. Divisor is a whole number. And write the remainder, that is 1, and the quotient is here. That is 3 1 by 2. Okay, so this will be the answer for change of improper into mixed fraction. Okay, we got the answer as mixed fraction. Okay, one more example, that is 5 by 11. Okay, sorry, this is a proper fraction. Okay, and that is here 11 by 5. Okay, that is a improper means, that is, denominator is smaller than that of the numerator. Here you have to divide the number 11 by 5. Okay, now we are doing, that is 2 5s are 10. Okay, subtract this and that is answer will be 1. This is a quotient and this will be the remainder. How to write the answer? That is, write this divisor is a whole number. Okay, and this remainder is the 1 by 2. Okay, that is 5 and 1 by 2. That is 11 by 5. Okay, that is change into mixed fraction, that is 5 1 by 2. So mixed fraction, it has a one combination of one whole number and proper fraction. Here also 3 is a whole number and combination of this whole number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction, that is a numerator is smaller than denominator here and here. So thus we have changed the improper fraction into the, that is a mixed fraction. Okay, next we move on to the next heading, that is find the lowest form in a fraction. Okay, this is a simple way to know by doing multiplication tables. Let me cancel the numbers. Okay, and we will make the answer, that is a lowest form of fraction. Okay, let me see next subtopic, that is change into lowest form. Okay, so today we are learning the transform of change into, that is improper, and change into mixed, and change into lowest form. Okay, in fraction, same heading. So how to change the lowest form? Let me do, that is by, here I am going to explain with example sum. Okay, that is 5 by 30. Okay, this is a fraction. Okay, proper fraction, because the denominator is somewhat bigger than the numerator. So this is a proper fraction. How to reduce this into a lowest form means, take, that is, a numerator and denominator should be divided by the same divisor number. Okay, here that is divided by, take this 5, okay, that is divided by 5. Again this also, denominator also divided by the same unit of number. Okay, that is 5 divided by 5, that is 1, and 30 divided by 5. Let me recap our previous, that is in our division topic, that is by saying you have to find out the quotient by saying the multiplication table. Okay, you have to say the 5 table, multiplication 5 table until the number 30. Okay, that is 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, and 6 5s are 30. So put the 6 here. This is the lowest form of this fraction 5 by 30. So this is the rule to divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. Okay, so you can get the simplest form of this fraction 5 by 30. So the answer is 1 by 6. Okay, do you understand? I am going to explain one more sum, that is here 10 by 80. Okay, so this is a fraction number. We are going to find out the lowest form of this fraction. Okay, let me take the same divisor number. We are going to take, that is divided by, that is 2. Okay, here also divided by, that is 2. Okay, here put the answer by saying this 2 table, that is you have got 5 2s are 10. Okay, that is 5, and divided by, that is 18 by 2 means here that is 9. Okay, that is 5 by 9. This is the answer for your, that is the lowest form of this fraction, that is 10 by 18 equal to, that is 5 by 9. So you have to divide this number with the same divisor. Numerator and denominator should be divided by the same number, that is 2 and 2. That is 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. Okay, do you understand? So this is the answer for 5 by 3. Okay, one more sum for you, that is 7 by 21. Okay, you have to get the number but table, that is 7 table. Okay, divided by 7, here also divided by 7 with the same divisor. Say the table. Okay, that is 1 7 is 7, and by saying this 7 table up to the number 21, okay, that is 3 7s are 21. So 3 7s are, so 1 by 3. So 1 by 6, 5 by 9 and 1 by 3 are the lowest form of all this fraction 5 by 30, 10 by 18 and 7 by 21 respectively. Okay, so that is a change into lowest form. Okay, and let me move on to the next, that is in fraction. There is a word problem. Few examples of word problem, how to do in word problem, that is addition, subtraction, and how to put the fraction also, fraction term. Okay, let me see. Okay, next we move on to the word problem. I am going to write here, that is fraction word problem. I am going to write a question for word problem, and let me make statements and let me do the addition sums. Okay, that is the question. Okay, Sarah's mom, okay, bought a watermelon. Okay, Sarah's mom bought a watermelon and cut into 8 pieces, and kept it in refrigerator. Okay, So Sarah's mom bought a watermelon and cut into 8 pieces and kept it in refrigerator. Sarah, okay, ate 3 pieces in morning, okay, and 2 pieces in the evening. Okay, find the total amount, total content. Does she eat? Okay, so read the question first. Okay, you have to read the question and understand whether it is a addition or subtraction sum, and write down the statement, and we have to calculate the sum. Okay, that is Sarah's mom bought a watermelon and cut into 8 pieces, so kept inside. She took first, that is 3 pieces in morning and 2 pieces in the evening. So find out the total portion she ate. Okay, that is first she ate in the morning. Fraction means a part of a whole. So first you have to write the fraction number. She ate the portion, that is 3 among the 8 pieces. Among the cut 8 total whole portion, that are 8 pieces. She ate only 3 pieces in the morning, that is 3 by 8. Okay, do you understand the term? That is, she ate in the morning is equal to, that is, she ate the piece, number of pieces, that is 3, and the whole portion, that is here. Okay, total number of pieces inside the fridge, that is 8. So 3 by 8. Okay, and she ate in the evening. Okay, she ate 2 pieces. So here also put the fraction term 2 by 8. Okay, that's a fraction, is a part of a whole. Here the whole part means that is a total 8 pieces of watermelon. So 2 by 8. Okay, now you have to add these 2 fraction. Okay, that is 3 by 8 plus 2 by 8. Okay, so put the first numerator numbers, that is 3 plus 2, and put the denominator 8 here. Okay, and 3 plus 2 you got, that is 5, and write down this denominator 5 by 8. This is the total portion. Total portion Sarah ate. Okay, that is 5 by 8 portion of the watermelon. So this is a method to calculate the total fraction, and by understanding the question, write down the statement in your word problem. You will get individual, that is separate mark terms for your full mathematical sum, because you will get the each statement. Okay, this is it gets half mark and the final calculation, and write down this answer. This is a method to do the word problem in fraction. Okay, and let me discuss another addition and subtraction sum in fraction in our next video.